Well, where the hell are we today? This isn't the barn. There's no anvil in sight. There's no wood shop in sight. But for many of you who have followed along this channel for a long time, you do know that I've spent 3 years on that building out there while completely neglecting anything to do with the house. It is now time to correct some of that because my wife has been so patient and she doesn't ask for anything. So we're going to start doing a little remodeling in the house here and there. Once in a while, it might be a video or two a week. Like I said, we're going to be mixing it up. But today's project, this half wall is coming out. We're going to take it down to here. And that's it. We're going to rip this thing out, try not to make too much of a mess. We have a little bit of electrical work to do. We have a wall we're going to be framing in a little bit because the TV and all that garbage is moving into that corner. And it's just time. I built this house 11, 12 years ago now, I guess it is. And I was 25, 26 years old. Didn't know what the hell I was doing. I knew how to frame just fine, but when it came to house layout and function and things like that, not very good. This is about a 1,500 square foot house that needs to get a little bigger because our family has grown. And it's just getting cramped in here, crowded. So anyway, stay tuned. I hope you enjoy it, and I'll see you on the other side of it. But we're at a point where I guess it's time to get the outlets out of here. So, we got the power shut off. Of course, we obviously are gonna double check. Now you can use a dummy stick, but what I have found with using those, all the glow sticks for doing these, sometimes you'll pick up residual voltage on the neutral and it can kind of throw you off a little bit. So really the best way to tell, get a multimeter and check them that way. The absolute most fail-safe way to keep your ass from getting juiced. I tell you what, guys, I've been married for 15 years and I'm finding that after hours marital fun It's getting more expensive all the time. Now I'm doing home improvement projects. This is bullshit. Terrible. Absolutely terrible. I remember a time when 20 on the dresser was enough, and now it's new flooring. Or absolutely terrible. Alrighty. So I believe this guy right here goes to the outlets. I've got a hole cut here, yes. And go down the line. I've always been very picky on my wiring. Very, very picky. So when I wire stuff up, I kind of tend to be kind of anal about it. So this is the bottom, so the two bottom ones. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take this whole outlet out because we're putting new drywall here. The section of wall that we're going to leave up. Come on, you can do it. Alright, there we go. Guys, we are ready to start popping drywall off. I've got 2 more outlets to come off of here, and then we're going to get the drywall off. Well, I think we're at the point, everybody, where I'm starting to make a big old freaking mess. So I could be like one of them dorks on the DIY network or something like that, and do a really cool slow motion sledgehammer shot as I send dust and shit everywhere throughout my house, but we're not into that. We don't have budgets and people to clean for us. I'm going to try to work this off of here just as clean as I possibly can. Fortunately, it's only 1/2 inch. It comes off pretty easily. It's nice if you're able to take this off on a full sheet. It's a lot nicer. I hate demoing drywall, I'll tell you that. Yeah, I should just throw this right in the front yard for decoration. It'd match everything around the barn, right? She won't mind. Yeah, see if we can get this apart. I got an hour before she gets home. So hopefully, here's my pry bar. Hopefully we can get this out of here. I've got some framing and stuff to do, but probably will not get that done before she gets home. Big thing just having this thing torn out of here. Yep, coated nails. I built the whole house with them. All hand spikes. Boy, they don't like to come up, that's for sure. At least you know your house isn't going anywhere. I could probably do this much quicker with a Sawzall, but I like to kind of save lumber as I get it, you know. And of course I nailed the piss out of everything here, which nothing wrong with that. I bet you guys thought you were going to have a blacksmithing or timber framing video today. Not Jim's big old chore list. My kids are going to be denailing boards till they're 90. Cleanup time. She's going to be home in about 20 minutes. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. That's just a little bit of a look into the other stuff that we usually have going on around here that robs us from the other projects. Like I said, this is one of those deals where she's gone a lot of years without any house improvements, and you know, with all the kids running around, you guys know how that is. Things get destroyed, your walls get marked up, things get a little outdated, so it's time to here and there just sprucing things up a little bit, you know, do whatever we can do on the cheap. And so I got that half wall ripped out of there, got some new drywall on the one side of it, all that good stuff, and I'll take you guys along for more as we get it done. I stopped running the camera because everybody got home, and I'm one of those YouTubers, I have a real hard time running the camera when there's other people around. It just is very difficult. I can't concentrate. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this one. I'll see you the next time.